In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a Word page document into another Word document step by step. This process is straightforward, but it's essential to follow each step carefully to ensure everything looks just right in your final document. So let's jump right in. First, you'll want to launch Microsoft Word. If you have any other programs running that you aren't currently using, it's a good idea to close them for now to keep your computer operating smoothly. Word can occasionally take a bit more time if the computer is busy with other tasks. Once Word is up and running, open the document where you want to insert the other page. This is going to be your main document. It's also helpful to double check that you're working in the right file to avoid any mix-ups later on. After your main document is open, scroll through to the exact location where you'd like to insert the other document. It's crucial to be precise about this spot because the inserted content will appear immediately at the position of your cursor. Get that cursor blinking exactly where you want the new content to begin. Next, you'll navigate to the Insert tab on the menu bar at the top of your screen. Once you're in the Insert tab, look for the group labeled Text on the right side of the menu. You'll spot an option called Object. Click on Object and then choose Text from File. In some versions of Word, this may look slightly different, as instead you'll find Object and might need to then click through on Object once more, followed by Create from File, then Browse. Regardless of the version you're using, the next step is to browse your computer for the document you want to insert. Once you find the document, select it and choose Insert. If you're working with a different version of Word, this might be okay. Once successfully inserted, the full content of that document shows up right where you placed your cursor. Now it's crucial to review what you've inserted. Check that the formatting blends seamlessly with your main document. Occasionally, different fonts, spacing, or headings might require minor tweaks to ensure consistency throughout the entire document, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully inserted a Word page document into another one. Make sure to save your work to avoid losing any changes. Keep this process in mind. Anytime you're combining documents, it will streamline your workflow and help maintain your document's professional appearance. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing.